looks like rust mixed with some other shit. Alright, so we have the timing chain cover and timing chain guides, timing chain, the whole kit with the sprockets done, and the freeze plugs are done. So the next thing we gotta do is change the oil pan, but f that shit. That shit got a dent because some asshole thought it was a good idea to jack it up from the oil pan. On top of that, shit's rusting out. So we got a new one. So we'll start work on it, flip it over, clean the area, put the gasket and gasket maker shit on there. This one should be fast and easy. Let's go.
Breathing in with smoke.
Alright, so before we put the oil pan on, I have to change the rear main seal and then the gasket behind it, and then I can't do the oil pan just yet. So we gotta take the engine off the stand and change the seal and the gasket, and then we gotta put it back on the engine stand and then put the oil pan on. What a bitch.
So that's what we gotta do today, huh?
Yeah. At night.
Fuck!
Alright, I guess we'll start. The viewers are gonna be like, what the f is Jason doing? And then we hook it from here, and it's like coming even like, oh shit, that's how you get to stay in place.
You.
Alright, I guess we gotta take it out now.
Yeah.
Because I always have to be the one to save everybody's day.
Bam.
I might have gouged a bit of it, so we might have to, we might have to use RTV on the inside. I gouged it a little bit right here. If I did this perfectly clean, I probably wouldn't need RTV gasket maker, but since I did that, yeah, we're gonna have to put that shit on there.
In a million years.
Yeah. Not bad, right?
Nice.
I think I need to use more gasket maker, guys. What do you think? Leave a comment down below. Alright. Ta-da!
Sweet.
Now, no one's ever going to look at the back of this thing, because your flywheel is going to be blocking this. As long as you know that you did the job right, that's all that matters. That! Yeah! Fresh.
Mint.
Got the brand new drain plug with a crush washer.
Look at those humps. Look at those
curves.
Hold on.
You scratched it! Ah! That actually looks really nice. Actually, yeah. That's the cleanest thing out of everything on this engine. Alright, so the oil pan is on. Rear main seal is also on.
G plus universal $38.
So, Jason says that most of the time he has bad luck with like the cork gaskets, but this is what it came with. And it is optional to put RTV on it. Hopefully this gave someone an idea of the process of doing rear main seal and the oil pan. Next would probably be the valve cover gasket and some other stuff. I also got to take parts off of the hard body and get ready to prep the other hard body for the swap. So thanks for watching and see you guys next time. Let's see if we can do a close up of me popping this thing.
My battery charger.
Yeah, that didn't go so well.
Hold on, use this chair right here, man. Take it easy on my battery charger.
Oh, I mean, I've crushed one of these things before.
Oh my god.
At work.
That's just like $200, bro.
Like I
take it easy, son.
Like I crushed one of those at work. Man, this was a lot. The other
just popped right out.
The main seal popped out easy. This thing's caked in there.
Damn.
Out of all the main seals I've done, this is the hardest one. Every other time it just comes out.
You need a vise for that shit.
Try not to like put an excessive amount. And sometimes I forget, like, sometimes little is
safer than sorry.
Yeah, like the saying less is more.
Sometimes more is more too.
Yeah. Sometimes more is not enough.
Sometimes more is more. Yeah, not enough.
Fingers crossed I get this in right. The thing is, I have another rear main seal at home in case this goes bad.
Got a plan B option. Looks like it's going in.
It's going in one way.
There you go.
Try here. Just to make sure that side goes in.
Yeah. The shit will never leak. It's permanent. Next time, just take a welder and just weld the whole shit shut.
I mean, it is metal inside. Just put JB weld.
Just weld it straight to the end of the crank and just...
Let me just clean
It'll
this.
never leak.
Getting me mallet.
That's it. I'm getting me mallet.
How about you?